Hey y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making hot lemon pepper wings. This recipe is so easy and simple, I love it. So first we're going to start by adding our seasonings to our flour. As you can see, I used some obey powder, some lemon pepper, some paprika, and black pepper. And I only added about half of the seasonings. The rest we're going to go ahead and add to our sauce at the end. After I whisk that, I'll go ahead and add my clean and dried chicken to our flour, and you're just going to lightly coat that. Make sure your oil is preheated on 350. Now once you're done, we're going to go ahead and start frying our chicken. Now lightly place your chicken in your baskets, or if you're just using it on the stove, put it in your pan and go ahead and start frying. I fry this for about 7 to 8 minutes depending on how crispy you like it. You can also place these in the oven on 350 afterwards if you want to keep them warm if you have a larger batch. Now while that's frying, let's go ahead and work on our sauce. I added some salted butter to our pan. Once that melts a little bit, I go ahead and add some buffalo sauce. After that, I'm just going to add a couple seasonings, whisk it in a little bit. Once your sauce heats up, we're going to go ahead and season with the rest of our seasonings. Like I said, this recipe is so simple and easy. It's awesome for football games, basketball games, even just having family and friends over. So quick and easy. Now we're going to cool our sauce just a little bit to thicken up. After that, go ahead and roll your chicken in it, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of lemon pepper on top. Now my favorite part, it's time to plate. After you finish plating your wings, like I said, we're just going to drizzle some lemon pepper seasoning on top. You can eat this with ranch, celery, and carrots. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.